today we're in the new No Anchor Studios. Since we've left Florida, we're in Nan's basement. Michael's Gmail.
I moved into my grandma's house. I am jobless.
What are we doing?
We're working on No Anchor stuff. I'm cutting out some stickers right now. I'm gonna send out to some people who won our Instagram contest.
This is the new upgraded sticker printer. We had a $200 how did you describe it?
I don't know, like Wendy.
You know, Wendy. Our cutout table right next to the dollhouse and kids' toys from when Michael and his little sister were little.
Those are all my toys, dude.
Yeah.
I played with dolls.
And so today, I'm getting ready to launch Massive Music Academy, which is a website to sell patches, sound packs, samples, and things like that. So we're going to be recording zombie sounds. Really get your voice going oh, or whatever. And then, yeah. Maybe we'll switch around to Logic. There's a lot of cool reverbs in Logic, and then we'll just make some cool stuff. So right now, Mike's going to be yelling into the microphone. I'm going to be watching his levels on his computer, on my computer, I guess, making sure he doesn't clip.
And clipping's bad, except when you get the haircut.
Oh. You know what that sounds a lot like? Is the four-legged thing in Star Wars, the Clone Wars?
Oh, the...
Yeah.
It does sound like
so much.
Whenever Ed talks on the phone, he has to constantly be walking.
So she's only in Hayden for two basement. And it's fully carpeted and
Listen to that one.
Yep, we're pretty much 100% sure that Nan's house is haunted. So, it's good inspiration for making a scary sample pack. But when you need to go outside to get sticks to make the sound effects, it can get pretty scary. You got a stick, Mike?
Yeah.
Dude, that's a good stick. Made some food. We got one kind of food here in the studio. Microwave popcorn.